Do you offer a subscription-based service? FreshBooks can handle recurring payments automatically, creating a predictable revenue stream for your business. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This goes beyond recurring invoices. It's about automatically charging a client's card on a regular schedule, just like Netflix or Spotify. The foundation is a recurring invoice. Create an invoice for the subscription amount and set it to recur monthly or annually. But the critical step is in the payment settings. You must enable a payment gateway like Stripe and ensure that Save Client's Card for Future Payments option is turned on. The client enters their card once to authorize the recurring charges. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: communicate the subscription terms clearly. Before the first payment, make sure your client understands it's a recurring charge, the amount, the frequency, and how to cancel. Clear communication prevents disputes and builds trust. So, just like that, you've set up an automated system for subscription billing, ensuring you get paid on time, every time. What kind of subscription service could you offer in your business? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.